Oh, we got some serious snoring going on here. Sorry, Rob. You're getting a snorer. Why is it always your puppy that's caught in this video doing silly stuff? She wore herself out. I think it's your puppy. Let me just check this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh my. Hey, whose big nose is that, Mommy? Okay, I'll leave your babies alone now. They're snoring up a storm.